Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your TikTok profile so that only friends can send you direct messages. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile. If you need to select the profile icon on the bottom right, you can do that to get to this page. Then proceed to select the hamburger icon at the top right, left click on it, and select Settings and Privacy. On the left side, underneath Account, select Privacy, and then underneath Interactions, select where it says Direct Messages, click inside of here, and allow direct messages from at the top, click inside this area once again, and you can select where it says Friends, and then once you're done, click on the little X to close out of here. It should update to Friends up in this field, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.